Hello, hi, good evening. Yes,
Good evening.
welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear and
Oh,
see you clearly. Thank
that's
you, asking.
great. Yes, is this Haruka?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, nice to meet you today. How
Nice to
are
meet you.
you?
Uh, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thank you for asking. Okay, I can see here you chose topic talk 5, social media addiction.
Hmm?
This is very interesting and very true.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay, so all right, please repeat after me. Yeah, with the title Social Media Addiction.
Right. Social media addiction.
That's right. Now let's start with the first section. We have warm up. Okay, so let me read the instruction for you. Let's name all the things that you can see in this picture for 1 minute. Okay, just names. Okay, please start.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Uh, I can see some pictures, and
Pictures.
they uh, there is a line icon
Line. Line
and the
icon.
Facebook.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Facebook.
I can also see a laptop and
Yes.
a
Laptop.
smartphone.
Smartphone. Yes.
Yeah, which seem to connect to the internet, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
and there is also a girl who
Mhm.
seems to be kind of overwhelmed with a lot of people
Oh,
around her. And,
yeah, that's right. So overwhelmed. All right. Okay, very good. Yes. Now let's move to the next part. Let's have words and phrases. Okay,
oh,
so I'll read the instruction for you. Study each of the words and phrases listed below and try to use them in a sentence. Okay, so this is challenging.
mm,
Okay, so first, um, let's read the words and phrases. Okay, please repeat after me once. Okay, let's start with the phrase connect with people.
connect with people,
Yes, and also the next is sympathize with the post.
sympathize with support,
Yes, also post one's recent situation.
post one's recent situation,
Reviews and feedback.
reviews, and feedback.
Check post every few seconds.
Check post every few seconds.
Make a comment out of a sense of duty or duty.
Make a comment out of a sense of duty.
And feel uneasy with people's reaction.
Feel uneasy with people's reaction.
Be annoying.
Be annoying.
Unspecified number of people.
Uh, and specify number of people.
And the last one is unfriend.
Unfriend.
Okay, all right. So before you start making sentences, do you have any questions about words and expressions or phrases?
So far, I think I'm good. We can just go on.
Okay,
Thank you for
so
asking.
yes, you're welcome. So now, please make a sentence for each words or phrases. Let's start with connect with people.
Okay, let's say uh, nowadays social media is
Mm.
a way to connect with
Wow,
people or someone.
yes, exactly. So, social media is a way to connect with someone. That's true. How about the next one? Sympathize with the post.
Uh, oh, you do not have to sympathize with the sympathize with every post your friends post.
Yeah. So yeah, so you don't have to
I think
sympathize. Yes, you don't have to sympathize every, right? Every
yeah.
post. That's difficult. Yeah, exactly. Every every post. Okay.
Or the
Yes.
sentence is correct. I think I made something like a redundant.
You don't have to sympathize every post no s because you use
Uh,
every
oh yeah.
post of your friends. Did you say your friends? Of your friends. Yeah, no need to add another post. Like if
Uh,
you say you don't have to sympathize every post of your friends post. So no
um,
need to add post. You could just say post of your
yeah,
friends. It's
yeah,
okay
I
to
think so.
stop there.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's great. Then post one's recent situation.
Was one recent situation.
Mhm.
Um, I often post my recent situation
Oh,
on my Twitter.
oh, okay. I open post. Okay. Post my recent situation. Very good. My recent situation. Is it on Twitter? Wow, you
Um,
like Twitter the most? Is it
yeah, I
the
do.
best? Is
Yeah,
it the
rather than
best
Instagram.
SNS for you?
Yeah, rather
Oh,
than Instagram, I prefer
oh,
Twitter.
really? Really?
Mm.
Okay. All right.
They
Yes,
never know like I
yeah,
mute them. So yeah, that
that's
is
true.
very convenient.
Okay. All right. So now let's move to the third part. We have here role play. Okay. So imagine that you're in the following situation and perform a role play activity with your teacher. Okay, that's me. So using the new words and phrases. Okay, so at first I'll be A and you will be B, and then we will switch the roles if we'll still have time. Okay. All right, so please read aloud situation A and B in English.
A has always been tired since she started using social media.
Mhm.
Please explain what social media is.
All right. How about B? B
Uh,
is.
he is worried about A. B does not know what social media is.
Ah, okay. So you don't know what social media is, okay? And I'll be A, so I'm so tired already of this social media, okay? All right, so we will start with the role play. We'll try to use as much as possible the words and phrases, okay? So it doesn't matter if it's not all, just few of them. It's okay. All right? Okay, we just try to use it. All right. Hi, Haruka. How are you? It's good to see you again.
Yeah, how are
Yeah.
you?
Oh, I'm so tired because of this social media addiction, and now I'm so annoyed. All I have to do is
Um,
just to check all the posts and messages of my friends, and I'm so tired. Huh?
mm,
I, I
that's
it's
too bad. So,
yeah.
can I ask you what social media is?
Oh, I have Facebook, I have Instagram, Twitter, Line, everything. Almost everything because at first I was excited to connect with people, and then like sympathize with their posts, all of their posts until I was posting all of my recent situation just every day, every day, every day. So I became addicted to social media.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, how about
So,
you?
me?
Yeah.
Uh, so,
Do you
I
are you also a social media addict?
it's sort of like as I always use Twitter. Yeah, so
Mm.
I always post something on Twitter. So I think that is sort of like my, how do I say, daily duty to
Oh,
post something on my
oh,
Twitter.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. Oh, yeah, it's
yeah,
this time I have regretted it because it becomes like a sense of duty. Yeah, I have to do it. I have to answer. I have to check. I'm so tired already. So,
yeah, it is, and it is like it's already become like to, how do I say, become like custom to check every few seconds.
yeah, yeah, every few seconds. It's so annoying this time.
Yeah, but even though
Yeah.
not because we are addicted to it.
That's right, that's right. Yeah, I want to change the situation. Can you help me?
I'm also addicted addicted to it, so I think we need to get over it together.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's right. Thank you so much. That's good. Okay, all right.